Hi, it's Rich Tarani. Thanks for watching TMCNet's Editor's Day in Santa Clara, California, 2015. With us today is Greg Brunick. He is with the Point of Sale Division of Epson. And Greg, welcome to the show. How are you?
Thank you. I'm doing very well.
Great. So you've got some new and exciting things happening. I was hoping we can talk about those.
Absolutely. Seiko Epson as a company continues to innovate. And at this point, we've moved well beyond our early days of watches and measuring instruments. And now we're into areas as varied as projectors, inkjet printers, and point of sale. Our point of sale products traditionally have focused upon the receipt printers. And within that market, we have a very strong market share position. And we continue to move into new areas with new solutions. One of the big trends that we've been focused upon is mobility. Mobility in the respect that store associates are now just as likely to be armed with tablets as they are to be standing behind the counter, checking people out in a more conventional, traditional way. And at Epson, we have several different solutions that can help the new world of mobile within point of sale. One of those solutions involves a new product called the M10 thermal receipt printer. This is a very small, very angular printer that has been specifically designed to blend in with today's mobile point of sale systems, with the footprint, with the color, with the industrial design, and some of the other features, as well as Epson's renowned reliability and durability. We also have Mobile Link belt clip printers, such as the P20, and those products are great for store associates who are moving out on the store floor, because now they can simply check out customers on the tablet and print the receipt right there from their Mobile Link P20 belt clip printer. But there's another area that we've continued to innovate in. About 3 years ago, we took a traditional thermal receipt printer and we added the processor and the memory and the storage of a PC. We call them our OmniLink line of intelligent receipt printers. And there are two really important applications that are ideally suited for OmniLink printers. One is to serve as a hub of sorts for mobile POS systems. And let me give you a little explanation on that. Typically, point of sale systems will have several devices connected into the point of sale system, things like a cash drawer, things like a hand scanner, things like an EMV reader. And typically, mobile point of sale application companies struggle to integrate those hardware devices with their application that usually runs on the tablet.
Right.
OmniLink can help out in this regard because we've created a software layer that allows these application developers to seamlessly integrate hardware devices with their tablet via OmniLink. So, for example, a store associate could hit Open Cash Drawer on their tablet. The command gets routed through OmniLink, and then the cash drawer opens. All very seamless, all very fast. It's just a very elegant way to enhance their mobile POS development.
And that's now because you can shrink down the computing to that small device.
Absolutely. Yes, sir. There's also another very important application, and that revolves around the cloud. At our DNA, Seiko Epson is very much a hardware company. But over the years, we've continued to innovate, and more recently, we've really begun to look at cloud applications. And one of the projects we are working on is the Epson Cloud, and that is the ability for merchants to send their transaction data through an OmniLink printer up to the Epson Cloud. And then we are partnering with leading cloud service application developers to take that data that's being stored in the Epson cloud and run it through applications. And as a result, we're able to provide great data and information that allows small merchants to improve the profitability and their overall business.
So they basically analytics on the receipts and the sales.
Correct.
And things like that.
All using the raw transaction data.
Okay, that makes sense. Sure.
Data analytics is a very important part of it. Employee productivity is a very important part of it. You can just go all the way down the list of services that can be used to enhance a small business.
That's fantastic. So that's a lot going on in the point of sale space, right? I mean, it's just tremendous.
It is, yeah. There right now is a very exciting time to be in point of sale. There is a lot of innovation going on throughout the industry, and we are very proud to be part of that innovation going forward.
So in part, see if I can add some color here. We're seeing this big move towards any mobile device can become a cash register nowadays because of things like Square or some other technologies you can drop on top of them. And so the back end now is that you can, in addition to sending an e-receipt, you can actually, for those people that want a printed receipt, you're able to more easily have a mobile receipt that you can print anywhere from any place, like from a taxi, from a car, or any kind of car service, to a kiosk in a mall, to anywhere else.
Yep.
Right?
That is certainly part of it, yes. That's an important part of it. And then the other part is the whole ability to send the data up into the cloud where it can be leveraged through cloud service applications.
Fantastic. So in terms of the competitive position that Seiko Epson is in right now, why are people choosing you? I mean, you talked about durability, and of course, Epson printers. I used to be an IT director myself, and the Epson printer was an amazing thing. It worked and worked and worked. And so it's one of the reasons why you bought it, and that was back in the days of Dot Matrix when these things had a million moving. It was a lot of moving parts and it's a lot happening. So. Is that the primary reason why people choose your company, or are there other reasons as well?
That's certainly one of the reasons. We have a reputation throughout the industry of designing and manufacturing products that last a long time. They're workhorses, as you found out in your days as an IT director. But beyond that, we continue to innovate in areas such as the cloud, areas such as mobile printing, areas such as mobile POS receipt printing. We also offer a lot of specialized customization work. We have a team of engineers who spend a lot of effort making sure that our products integrate seamlessly with whatever point of sale system our customers happen to be using, whether it's traditional point of sale or mobile point of sale. So there's a number of strengths when you look at Epson within point of sale. Those strengths are the reason we've managed to capture a good 80% market share within the world of retail and hospitality. We like to joke amongst ourselves that if we go to a restaurant, there's a really good chance that the point of sale printer is an Epson, and that's something we're very proud of.
If not, you get up and leave.
We think about it.
That's really great. So congratulations on the
thank
success.
you.
That's fantastic. So as we close out, is there anything else that we didn't discuss that potential buyers should know about your company?
I would just ask them to keep in mind that Seiko Epson is a very strong, very proud legacy of building outstanding products and solutions. We've continued to move into new areas over time, and going forward, we'll keep that innovation coming. So please stay tuned. There's a lot of great products in the pipeline, and I look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.